Namaste, everyone, and welcome to this Lion's Gate portal ceremony. Before we begin, I want to briefly share why 8-8 is considered meaningful in modern spiritual practice. The Lion's Gate portal is associated symbolically with Leo, Sirius, and the number 8. Leo represents the heart, courage, and authentic self-expression. Sirius has long been associated with illumination and higher wisdom. The number 8 carries the symbolism of balance, inner power, abundance, and manifestation. And of course, the infinity symbol that 8 creates represents your eternal connection with divine energy. I do not see today as a magical date that changes our lives dramatically. I see it as a powerful symbolic moment to become still, to release what no longer serves us, reconnect with our inner power, listen for our deeper purpose, and become conscious of what we now wish to create. The gateway is within us. The power is within us. The awareness of the purpose is within us. So for the next several minutes, allow yourself to step away from the outer world and journey inward. Find a position in which your body feels supported. You may sit upright. You may lean back. You may lie down if you prefer. But ensure that you are here and with my words at all times. When the body rests deeply and the nervous system quietens, the brain often gives the message, you can sleep now. But you have to remain in command of the next 45 minutes so that you are deeply rested and serene, but you are also awake to the words of the meditation. Allow your hands now to rest and be comfortable. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Again, breathe in and let the breath leave you slowly. One more time. A gentle breath in and a long breath out. Let yourself be present here in this moment. Silently say, I am here. Again, I am here. Today is 8/8, and we will begin with 8 conscious breaths. Step away from the noise and return to ourselves. Breath 1. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, release everything that happened before you arrived here. Breath 2. Breathe in and breathe out, releasing the things that are still waiting for your attention. They can wait a little longer. Breath 3. Breathe in and breathe out, releasing other people's expectations of you. Breath 4. Breathe in and breathe out. Release all pressure that you place upon yourself. Breath 5. Breathe in and breathe out, allowing the body to soften and relax. Breath 6. Breathe in and breathe out, releasing the need to understand everything. Breath 7. Breathe in and breathe out, letting go of the need to control what happens in these next several minutes. Breath 8. Take a fuller breath in. Hold it gently for just a moment and breathe out slowly, letting the whole body soften. surrendering to the experience of whatever it might be. Let your breathing return to normal and bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice the forehead. Allow it to soften and relax. Relax the tiny muscles around the eyes. Your eyes may feel heavy and begin to droop. Allow this. Relax the cheeks. Relax the jaw. There is nothing that you need to say right now. Nothing that you need to explain. Let the throat relax. Let the tongue rest. Bring your attention to your shoulders. You can allow them to drop just a little. Feel the arms relaxing, the palms relaxing, the fingers loose. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Now the stomach. Let your chest relax. Let your belly soften. There is no need to pull it in. There is no need to hold yourself tightly. Let the hips relax, the thighs, the knees, the calves, the ankles, the feet. Feel your entire body now, from the crown of the head all the way down to the feet. Breathe in and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. Every exhalation sends one message through your entire nervous system. You are safe. You can relax now. Imagine yourself now standing beside a wide, quiet river. The water moves steadily, not forcefully. Gently, it keeps moving forward. A deep and sacred voice within you tells you that this river can take away what you no longer want to carry. This river shall carry it all away for you. Just allow the body to recognize the heavy weight that it wishes to drop into the river. Is it disappointment that you wish to let go of? Imagine that heaviness of disappointment gathering gently into your hands. No struggle. You simply recognize that you have carried this long enough. Now very gently lower your hands towards the river and allow the water to receive the disappointment that you are ready to release. You are not rejecting your past. You are not pretending that the past didn't happen. You are simply releasing the burden of the past and of the present. Watch the river as it receives your burden and carries it away. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, let the body release yet another layer, the layer of fear. Gather this fear in your hands and gently offer it to the river. If you wish to specify exactly what the fear is about, you can silently say this to yourself and then gently drop this burden into the river and watch your fear being carried away. And now we turn to the burdens of unspoken feelings and the pain of your needs being unmet, the wound of not being acknowledged or heard or valued. Gather all of these burdens gently. Gently gather them from your heart and offer these burdens to the river. Slowly, without any bitterness or resentment, release these burdens into the river and breathe. Take a deep sigh of relief. Relief as the river carries them away. And now we release the burden of trying to keep everyone happy. The belief that you must always be strong. the exhaustion of trying to ensure that you work out everything for everyone. Your shoulders are so tired, so sore. Your neck feels so painful. Your back feels bent under the heaviness. Take away the burdens from your shoulders, your neck, and your back, and slowly but very willingly drop these burdens that are not yours to bear. Breathe easier, feel lighter. There is no shame or guilt in allowing others to take care of themselves, in stepping aside and letting them solve their own problems. You do not have all the answers. You were never meant to have all the answers. Along with these burdens, also offer up to the river the many long years of self-sacrifice and lack of self-care. Silently say, I release what my body is ready to release. I do not have to carry these burdens forever. I allow myself to become lighter. And now we release into the river qualities that we know are not healthy for us, not healthy for our relationships. And as I name these qualities, one by one, acknowledge them honestly, without any self-condemnation, without any shame, and gently release these into the river as well. We release selfishness, control, domination, lack of sensitivity for another's needs and wishes, irritation, fault finding, judgmentalism, lack of truth and integrity. We release all of these, and we release greed and hatred. You have done so well now. You have been so brave and so honest in this release process. Bring one hand gently over the center of your chest, upon the heart Feel the warmth of your hand. Feel the body beneath your palm. Feel your gentle heartbeat. Visualize a small light inside the heart center. Not a harsh, glaring, bright light. Just a soft, subtle light. Steady, warm, quiet. This light represents the divine core that has always been present within you. A part of you that gives you the answers directly from divine wisdom. With every gentle breath, allow this light to expand and fill the chest. Let it move through the shoulders, down the arms into the hands. Let this light spread into your throat and stomach, the back, the legs, your entire body. And now, just stay focused upon that light in your heart. Ask that light, what do you need from me? And remain silent. You may feel something. You may remember something. A word may arise, a feeling, or maybe just a simple sense of knowing. Just listen. You may hear nothing, and that is fine as well. Just stay silent. With your hand on your heart, ask yourself this very honest question. What do I most need in this present? Allow this answer to come. Don't let your brain guide the answer. Maybe the answer is that you need rest, or honesty, or forgiveness. Maybe you need courage, freedom, support. Whatever comes, allow it to come. Now bring to your mind all the situations in the recent or the distant past that have made you feel small, hurt, unseen, rejected, disappointed. Whatever situations come up, let them. Suppress nothing. Don't turn away from anything because they may be painful or uncomfortable. Let the situations come up and allow the light of your heart to touch all these painful situations. You do not need to fix anything. Just let the light bring warmth and healing to them. Now, with one hand over the heart, place the other hand over the upper part of the abdomen, the area of the solar plexus. There is a golden light here as well, a steady golden flame. This is the part of you that holds your divine power, your divine will, your divine authority. You may not be able to control everything that happens, but you still have the power to decide how to react. You have the power to decide what to participate in and what to walk away from. You have the power to decide what you believe, what you allow, and where you place your energy. Breathe. Focus that flame upon all the situations where you have lost your power and reclaim your energy. Reclaim your power from wherever and whoever you have allowed it to be stolen from you. Repeat these statements aloud, firmly but very lovingly. I have the power to decide my life choices. I have the power to choose what situations I participate in. I exercise the right to walk away from people and situations that disrespect and dishonor me. I honor my beliefs. I validate my own life choices. I respect my failures. I am proud of my successes. Experience the strength in your solar plexus. In your entire chakric system as your energy returns to you Your power returns to you from every situation where you have been overthinking. Call your energy back. From every person whose approval you have been chasing, call your energy back. From conversations that you keep replaying in your mind, call your energy back. From fear of what may happen tomorrow in the future, call your energy back. From regret about yesterday, call your energy back. From every place and every time you have abandoned yourself, call your energy back. Feel the golden light becoming stronger, warmer, larger. The power that you are calling back is not aggressive power. It is not control. It is self-presence, self-honor, self-worth, self-authority. Now feel the heart and solar plexus regions together. The heart region is soft. The solar plexus is strong. A gentle stream of light flows between them. The light of love, compassion, empathy, kindness. The light of power, strength, respect, honor. Affirm loudly, I love others without losing myself. I am strong in myself and sensitive to others. I honor my wishes and do not reject what others need. A portal of violet golden light appears before you. Perhaps it looks like an archway. Perhaps it looks like an infinity symbol. Perhaps it appears to you like a simple door. This is the Lion's Gate portal. Take one step towards that portal. The Leo energy of courage, individuality, and personal power is yours to accept. Receive this gift. Receive it as a cosmic gift and your divine right. Take another step forward. The energy of Sirius, the second sun, radiates, giving you higher wisdom, spiritual awakening, and new beginnings. Take another step forward. The energy of number 8 gives you the gift of the power of manifestation, wealth, abundance, and karmic balance. Receive this gift with a smile on your face and a smile in your heart. Let your heart experience happiness while receiving this gift. And now gently cross through the portal. The infinity symbol represents the boundless divine energy coming to you as an eternal flow, connecting you to divine source. Breathe and experience this flow of divine energy that is coming to you. You have crossed into the portal. There is nothing to do, nothing to feel, nothing to think, nothing to demand. You are awareness, breathing, present, alive. Pause here and be one with the stillness. Remain within the stillness of this portal. The energy of the portal shall gently reveal to you your current life purpose. Allow the energies to reveal your life purpose to you. It may reveal itself as a way of being or a quality that you are here to express, a gift that you are here to share with others, or maybe a truth that you are here to live, a contribution that you are here to make to the world in your own unique way. So instead of trying to chase your purpose, allow yourself to receive it just now. Just receive it in silence. The portal represents the highest wisdom available to you. Divine wisdom, soul wisdom. This wisdom shall tell you what your soul is here to express through this life. You do not need to search. You do not need to manufacture an answer. Just receive. Maybe a word comes to you, perhaps an image, a person, a memory. Perhaps you see yourself doing something, or you feel a quality very strongly. Perhaps it comes to you as something that you know but you cannot explain. If you receive nothing at present, remain peaceful. Sometimes what is received in deep meditation becomes clear only later, after the meditation. Manifestation is not only about asking life to give you something. It is more about becoming ready to receive, becoming clear, becoming willing. For the next few minutes, allow yourself to receive the energy of your current life purpose. Do not ask, how will this happen? When will this happen? Is it possible for me? Let all these questions become quiet. Step into the version of your highest self. Stand in your new energy. Whatever feeling arises, allow that feeling to become stronger and breathe it into your heart and into your solar plexus. Breathe it into your entire body. The energy of your life purpose. And now the violet golden light of the portal begins to make this manifestation a reality, surrounding your intention and your purpose with energy, clarity, courage, and possibility. The infinity symbol of the 8-8 portal glows brightly, and there is inner alignment and outer manifestation. Say this aloud. I open myself to the highest expression of divine intention and purpose. I welcome what supports my growth and my highest good. I release the need to control. I remain open to all possibilities, even those that I may not yet be able to see. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. There is nothing more to ask for, Nothing more to visualize. For a few moments, simply rest in this energy. Bring your awareness to your heart and offer your gratitude. Bring your awareness to your solar plexus and offer your gratitude. Turn to the portal and offer your gratitude. The portal gently closes, but the connection with the portal shall remain with you. The Lion's Gate portal is always within you. Gently now become aware of the room around you, the temperature of the air, the sounds in the room, the sound of your breathing. Become aware of your body. Calmly, fully return to yourself and open your eyes.